All right, so Moving Help, Columbus, Ohio. We are down here on campus right now. This is a sorority house. We just unloaded this entire semi. How long did this take us? An hour?
Well, we started at 8:15. It is 9:21.
Took 1 hour with 8 guys to unload all of this stuff. We have hundreds of items here. We had to put everything into the front yard because we only had a small window of unloading time. So everything had to go in the front yard initially. Now, folks, if we're good enough to do all of this, we are definitely good enough to take care of your house and your belongings. Any other company that would have sent guys here would have walked off. And nobody has the experience that Moving Help Columbus, Ohio has. And I guarantee that. So, next thing we do is we walk up all these stairs. We're taking a little breather right now. It's about 90 degrees out, high humidity. Hundreds of items. Mattresses, everything needs put together. We're not putting anything together, but we are going to bring all of those items up all of those stairs, and we're going into this building, and we're going to disperse everything all throughout this sorority house. Go through these doors, down this hallway. All of these rooms get filled up. And that's not it. When we're done with this level, guess what this crew gets to do? We get to go up more stairs. And we get to disperse more items. And then we got more stairs. There's 3 floors that we're going to be working on today. We have another semi coming. We only had a 2-hour window to unload this semi. We did it in an hour. Now it's time to get everything dispersed. No other company can do this.